Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your support so far. Today we're going to be making this beautiful dress. So if it's something you would love to learn, kindly watch this video to the very end. Just take a look at the side pocket. So don't miss this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my video and give this video a thumbs up if you find it very interesting. See you soon.
Hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel. You're welcome to today's tutorial. So we are going to be cutting a flare gown today, and I'm going to be using this is serving as my pattern here. So I used my bust measurement divide by 4, then the half length we have 16 inches. I did not add any seam allowance to this. The bust is 38 divided by 4, we have 9.5. Then waist 30 divided by 4, we have 7.5 inches. So I'm going to be placing this on my fabrics to cut, but let me just go ahead and cut the neck. So we have this is set already. It's something like this. This is it here. So make sure you add your seam allowance to it, because we did not add seam allowance to the pattern. So I'm going to be adding seam allowance of 1 inch. This is it here. And even to the waist as well. So this is it here, as you can see. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to get the length. The length I'm using is 58. So I'll just get the length. And so guys, as you can see, this is it here. If you take note of this, you see this is the allowance here. So make sure you add your allowance, and this is the base here. This is the base of it. So we'll do same and cut the back. We are not going to be adding zip to the back, but instead we are going to be using a button. So guys, we have our back and front together. I'm using the same neck for the back and front, being that there is no zip allowance. So the next thing you are going to do is to pick one, but in case the front is different from the back, you can just take note of it. Then you slit the back. I told you earlier we are going to be putting a button. You slit it by 5.5 or more, depending on how open you want it to be. So this is it here. So guys, the next thing you are going to do is to try and fix like a bias here. So I'm going to be using the material. You can just measure like 1.5 inches or less than that. This is 1/4. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to be sewing this to the fabric. You are going to sew it all through. So let me go and sew. So guys, I've gone ahead to sew, but there's something I did not remember to tell you. This is the loop for the button. So I just added it up before sewing this. That's the only difference. I added this before sewing. So the next thing you are going to do is to fold it like this. So then you sew it round. So guys, this is what we have here. So I've gone ahead to sew. Then the next thing you are going to do is to join the shoulder of the back and the front together. You have to do it like this. Place it together like this and sew. Then after sewing, we are going to still use the same material to turn the neck. So guys, we're going to join the two shoulders together. So the next thing we are going to do is to turn the neck. Here is it. So I'll just fold it like this, place it and turn it round, then I'll bring it and sew it. So this is serving as our bias. So we'll take 12 inches as the length by 8 inches. So I'll still have to adjust 8 inches. 8 inches. Then from this angle, you measure 2.5. Then you measure 8 inches here. Remember, the mouth of the pocket is 7 inches. Then I'm still going to sew at the upper part here. So just measure 8 inches here. Then you connect it like this. Sweet. Then from this angle, just notch it a bit. So what I'm going to do now is to go and sew. I'm going to sew from here like this down to this place. Then you can top stitch if you want to, but the first thing to do is to go and sew to this side. So guys, this is the pocket. This is what we have. This is the part we are going to sew to the clothes, the body of the clothes. So guys, this is the pocket. So this is the clothes. This is the opening of the pocket. You just place it like this. So you can arrange it like this and place it. One side will go to this side. Then the other side will go to this other side. Then you sew. You're going to sew to here. So guys, our pocket is ready. Just take a look at it here. So the next thing you are going to do is the armhole. The same way we did the neck, that's the same way we are going to be turning the armhole. So guys, this is how we're going to be inserting it. You see, I'm going to lie this flat, then like this. I'm going to sew it round, then I'll complete the sewing. So that's how you're going to fix the armhole. So guys, I've gone to sew the armhole. This is what we have. So the next thing you're going to do is to turn the base. So this is the final stage. Please, if you are here to subscribe to my channel, please kindly subscribe if you find this video helpful. So guys, we missed one step, and this is the button. So I think that's the last thing we're going to do to fix our button. Thank you guys for watching till the very end. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I would like to see your comments in the comment section. Thank you guys.